Hello, good morning everyone. I hope everyone is doing great when they start seeing this post. Today I want you guys to each choose a nutrient cycle that we learned about last week to draw. So we talked through the water cycle, we talked through the carbon cycle, and the nitrogen cycle. And so all I'm asking you guys to do is pick one and then creatively draw it and include a few important terms depending on the one that you draw. So if you choose the water cycle here, I want you guys to make sure you have condensation, precipitation, collection, or evaporation. If you choose the carbon cycle, I want you to make sure you have photosynthesis, plant respiration, animal respiration, and combustion. And if you choose the nitrogen cycle, I want you guys to have nitrogen fixation, just nitrogen in the N2 form, denitrification, and bacteria. I have posted some really good videos that kind of walk you through step by step how to make this drawing just as an idea, but I also want you guys to be creative and think of some of your own ideas. Maybe you want to add different things. For example, let's look at this carbon cycle one. So if I click on it, it should load. Alright, maybe the water cycle will load. Nope. Alright, they aren't wanting to load. So, when you guys click on these links, they will take you to a YouTube video. But yeah, please be creative in your drawings. At the very end, all I want you guys to submit today is right here. It says, please submit a picture of your drawing when you are done. So, that's all we have planned for today. I thought this would be a fun way for us to better learn our cycles and kind of have some fun drawing and learning in a new way rather than simply just like taking notes or listening to another video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I look forward to seeing your very creative pictures.